y'all got 99 problems, but the race car ain't one. You know what I'm saying? Hopping up on IKEA and doing pretty good.
Rechts zo. Driftcar aan de kant. Zo.
Jesus. Yo. Ja.
Zeg ik toch. We zien wel goed, maar die gaat er wel in.
Oh.
Pak die daar wel. Oh, dat meisje terug naar de winkel.
Jesus, dude, look at how we're fitting this shit in here.
Die is nu extra.
Dang, boy. So y'all want to be extra douchey, you gotta take up 2 handicapped parking spots at IKEA, loading shit up in a drift car. Dang, boy. But he's gonna like sit behind my driving seat. I don't know if we get pulled over or something. I hope not, but we got shit in the trunk too. This is ridiculous.
Sitting in the back.
Well, we didn't made it. We got some stuff in the trunk as well. We didn't really think about how we was gonna, you know, transport this and whatnot. We just went with it. Otherwise, we would have taken the bus or something. I don't know, but
Yeah, fucking bus.
dang, look at that! Look at that fitment, boy.
Yeah, we can't say niggy around here or nigger because there are not a lot of black people around here. Said it.
We got this vinyl from AliExpress, but the problem was the sticker is good and whatnot, but it's super hard to put this one on since it's not like one piece. It's like with all these thin little lines, and it was pretty windy when I was trying to put this on. But hey, it looks good.
Yes, that's a stand.
So yeah, we're just gonna unload this and that's kind of it. I just wanna, you know, make some short random videos, I guess.